Assalamu alaikum. Air fryers have been on the market for over 10 years, but have become somewhat very popular in the last few months. But are they actually healthy? I'm Thomina Mirza, a registered dietitian and a qualified personal trainer. And in this video, I'm going to give you some quick facts about the air fryer to find out if it is really healthy, as the last thing you need is to buy a big fancy expensive gadget that hardly gets used. So how do air fryers actually work? Well, air fryers are essentially a hybrid between a deep fat fryer and a convection oven. The deep fat fryer component of the air fryer makes crispy, tasty foods with reduced oil or no oil at all in quick time. The oven part of the air fryer provides hot circulating air, so the food is cooked from all sides. The benefits of an air fryer compared to the deep fat fryer is that 1, it requires little or no oil at all, which can help with weight management. 2, reduces the incidence of repeatedly heating cooking oils, which reduces potential carcinogens. 3, safer compared to deep fat fryers in terms of burns. 4, lower production of advanced glycation end products or AGEs, because when food is exposed to high temperatures for a long period of time, AGEs are formed, and some research has found that air frying leads to lower production of AGEs compared to deep fat frying. So if you consume too many AGEs over time, it may increase the risk of developing chronic diseases. And 5, starchy foods such as potatoes usually take a longer time to cook in the air fryer compared to a deep fat fryer, which may sound like a negative, but the longer time means it's more digestible and may have a lower impact on your blood sugars. So this all means that the air fryer is healthier, right? The thing is, it is in theory, but practically it all depends if you're a person who eats a lot of fried food. But then, do you eat your fried foods cooked at home or as takeaways? The type of foods most people use their air fryer for are for reheating frozen foods such as chips, sausages, pizzas, kebabs, wings, chicken nuggets, fish fingers, burgers and patties, and onion rings, amongst others. Very few people actually use their air fryer for cooking, and that's because it's very difficult to clean. So going back to the original question, are air fryers healthy? When comparing it to the deep fat fryer, the air fryer is healthier, as mentioned earlier, but the crux of the question is the type of foods that you put in the air fryer is what determines its healthiness. The common foods reheated in the air fryer are all calorie dense with a low nutritional profile and can be cooked in the oven too. So at the end of the day, the air fryer is good if you tend to eat a lot of fried foods cooked at home. Remember, this information is all free, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment or follow Conscious Bites Dietitian.